what you want, and then app mode actually builds it out for you. Let's just go ahead. I'm going to go into design mode, and I'm going to say, I want a website to replace Zoho. A product, cool. Let's go ahead and just make it look nice too. I want it beach themed. You know, because we want something more relaxing than Zoho. So what is Zoho? Zoho is a CRM. It's just very basic bullshit. Super easy to clone. So that's what we're gonna do today. And you're all gonna get access to this also, just because it's easy to do. Why not? So in replit design mode, it goes and starts building the actual look of it. I could just have started to go and actually like build the actual app of it, but I want to show you guys both parts of it. This will cost you like 40 cents. This is like super cheap. The design mode is extremely cheap to get how you kind of want it to look, make it all pretty and stuff, and then start turning it into an actual functional product. All you have to do is click this little design bubble, pull this up, and just convert it. But we're not going to do that yet. We're going to let this compile. So as it builds, I'm going to show you a couple different cool tools. We have a lot of different things available here. Sorry, I'm trying to move something on my screen. We have a lot of cool different things here. We have databases. This is your Postgres. So if you're using already stuff like, what's that thing that everybody uses? Supabase? I think that's what everybody uses. Supabase? You don't have to use that here. It just does it for you. Your database is all connected, and you don't have to worry about anything. You can create secrets, so your API keys all stored here in secrets. You get a lot of really cool stuff. To publish it, it's very simple. You just click publish, click whichever thing, and your thing's ready to go. Yeah, sorry, this thing is a very, very simplistic product. I'm also going to show you guys other cool stuff later, but it's almost done. What other cool stuff? It has access to Git. It has access to Shell. Oh, let's look at integrations. Integrations pretty cool. Integrations, you have a lot of different integrations here. You have, oh, there's a lot of integrations I have connected to all my stuff. But if you wanted to go and make your product or whatever you're building connected with any of this stuff, it's just like one-click integrations, and then it's done and it's ready to work for you. All right. Oh, dang. Wow. Okay. Fantastic. Whew. We have some pretty stuff going on here. All right. Fantastic. I need a home. Sorry. I need a landing page. I need a yeah. I need before going to this dashboard. Cool. Simple. So I'm just making a small little edit real quick. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. Pretty nice. And obviously, this part doesn't work because this is just to go and at least get it started. You get it looking nice. Once you actually have it start building and stuff, it'll build for like 20 minutes straight or up to 3 hours, and you'll get a good product. Um, right now, we just want to care about real quick just making the looks look nice. Um, cool. But yeah, so integrations. You have lots of different stuff. One of the cool things I've done with this is I built my own AI co-founder where it has access to all these different things. And because it has access to all these different things, it can do all these things. So it can go into my Google Drive, my Sheets, send an email from my mail or my email, whichever one. I got Discord, I got GitHub, I have all kinds of stuff it's already connected to. And then there's other APIs that I'm also connected it to. Preview, fantastic. I like to just screenshot, paste. Hey, it's not working. Sometimes the AI just makes a little mistake. That's okay. I'm human, and I don't even know how to code. So I can make a lot of mistakes. But this thing makes a couple mistakes. No problem. We fix it. We fix it real quick. We get back to it. No problem. We're going to be okay. Fantastic. That looks beautiful. because I want it a little bit better. So it has access to a couple different tools. Has access in here web search and media generation. We're right now only in design mode, so it's specifically only going to be doing this. Once I convert it from design mode into regular mode, we can turn it on to high. We can turn app testing on, all kinds of good shit. It's going to be great. They use semgrep, which if anybody's worried about like their stuff being like insecure, they have it set up to where they can actually just protect your stuff. It's very solid. This is very simple. Normally, this is where I go and I play video games with my friends, or I go get a drink or something while I wait for this shit. It's pretty cool. Is there anything else in here? Auth. Auth is cool because you don't have to worry about auth. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. There's really not much left in Replit besides actually watching it do its work. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That's phenomenal. That looks beautiful. And that's AI generated. It's pretty good. So let's go ahead and convert it. I'm going to go ahead and convert it. App. Yes, convert to app. It's going to give me a whole lot of shit to do. Make sure that my app testing is also turned on. Automatically turned it to high. I like it on high. I don't like to turn it to max. I just keep it on high. Keep app testing on because whenever app testing's on, it'll automatically use itself to go and figure out what's going on. And you can just read what it's saying here on the side. Like it's so nice. It'll just tell you like, hey, we're gonna go ahead and build out the full backend. Well, that's fantastic because it'll just do it to this database. Now I don't have to worry about crap. I don't have to worry about any of this stuff. Like it's gonna create all the database, all the schemas, everything for it. And then you just tell it what you need. Like, hey, I need you to do this too. We'll store all the data in here. All the cost goes to Replit. One place to keep track of it all. It's phenomenal. And eventually this stuff will just be fully done working. Like this will all be actually functional. That's pretty much all you do. Right now it has all these tasks. This is going to go on for a while, so I'm going to probably cut the video here in a second because like this is going to keep working for maybe like up to 3 hours, depending on how much stuff it needs to get done. This is probably going to be like 10 minutes of work, but I don't want to go and have us recording for 10 minutes of me just looking here. So, yeah, I'll go and on the next video show you more about what's going on, and you'll be able to see what you can do with this shit. But my name's Renee. Welcome to the Replit group that I'm creating just for the fuck of it. I'm going to be posting lots of videos in here. I hope you guys can check it out. Thanks.